Hello, boys and girls. We are going to look at fourth grade lesson 116 on the Excel program today, multiplying three-digit number by a two-digit number. We're getting more and more digits in our multiplication problem. So here we go. Here's our first sample problem here. Number 1, 263 times 58. Watch me go through this so you can see how we solve this problem. It's not much different than the previous problems, but check it out now. We got 3 times 8 is 24. We put a 4 down here. Regroup with the 2 to the tens place. 2 tens are left over there. 6 times 8 is 48, plus 2 is 50. So I put a 0 down there and regroup with the 5. Here's where some kids get confused. They accidentally do the 2 times 5. We don't want to do that. We want to do 2 times 8. 2 times 8 is 16. And then add your regroup of 5, and you get 21. Now, we are done with these regroups. We are done with the 8, because we've multiplied 263 times 8. Got 2,104. Now we're going to multiply 263 times 50. And, of course, if you're counting by 50s, you got to have a 0 on the end. So we put a 0 in there to hold the ones place, since there's not going to be any ones on any of these. 5 times 3 is 15. You put the 5 there. You regroup with the 1 to the tens place. 6 times 5 is 30. Plus 1 is 31. I got to regroup with the 3 over to the hundreds place. 2 times 5 is 10. Plus 3 is 13. Then I simply add my partial there's the bell. Add my partial products. 4 plus 0 is 4, 0 plus 5 is 5, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5, 1 plus 1, and the 1 plus nothing. Answer is 15,254. All right. I'm going to do number 2 while you do number 2. We'll do it at the same time. Ready? Here we go. 8 times 6. Hopefully you know that's 48. Write the 8 right there. Regroup with the 4 above the next 8 in the tens place. 8 times 6 again, 48. But we got to add 4, so we get 52. Write the 2 there and regroup with the 5. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 5 is 35. Can you kind of keep up with me? Maybe get a little bit ahead. I'm going to scribble these out so I don't accidentally use them again. I'm going to put a 0 in the ones place because we're going to multiply times 40, not 4. So there's not going to be any ones involved in this next partial product. 8 times 4 is 32. Regroup with the 3. 8 times 4 again, 32 plus 3 is 35. Look at that, there's a 35 right up there, but that's not what we're doing. Okay, 5 times 4 is 20 plus 3 is 23. And add 8, 4, 10, regroup with the 1, 7, and 2. Put a comma in there to make it a little bit more clear. 27,048. I hope that was easy for you because now you're going to try one on your own. Watch out. There's a decimal point in this one. Okay. Pause the video. Try number 3 and then turn it back on when you have the answer. Here's what you should have done. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Regroup with the 1. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. And put the 0 placeholder. 4 times 7 is 28. Regroup with the 2. 8 times 7 is 56 plus 2 is 58. Regroup with the 5. 3 times 7 is 21 plus 5 is 26. And add them up. 26,648. Did you get it right? If not, erase and fix it. Okay, here's number 4. Now you can see what to write on your paper. Pause the video, solve this one, and then turn the video back on when you're ready for the solution. Here we go, 9 times 4. Oh, no, wait a minute. I got this last one wrong. We need a decimal point in there. I just realized it. It's 2,664.8. I almost forgot the decimal point. Woo, good thing I remembered. I bet a bunch of you were saying, wait a minute, Mr. Bedley, you got that one wrong. Okay, 9 times 4 is 36. Regroup with the 3. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 3 is 15. Regroup with the 1. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. There we go. And put the 0 placeholder. Not going to use these anymore. 9 times 3 is 27. Regroup with the 2. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2 is 11. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Now, no decimal point on this one for me to mess up on. 11 and 8, 8,126. Okay, so far I'm getting a B on this lesson. Here are some problems that have dollars in them, money. Okay, we don't put dollar signs in the partial products. We only put a dollar sign on the top number and the bottom number. I'm going to do this problem real quickly with you. Watch as I go through. 3 times 6, 18. Regroup with the 1. 48 plus 1 is 49. Regroup with the 4. 7 times 6 is 42. Plus 4 is 46. Put the 0 placeholder. 4 times 3 is 12. Regroup with, it's a 1 again. And 8 times 4 is 32 plus 1 is 33. Regroup with the 3. 7 times 4 is 28 plus 3 is 31. Add up the 8, 11, 10, 6, and 3, and put the decimal point back in for money and the dollar sign on the end. Let's see if I can do these right. Oh, my goodness. Okay, number 6. It's your turn. Do number 6 on your own and then pause the video. Turn it back on when you're ready. 5 times 4 is 20. You should have already done this problem. Regroup with the 2. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 2 is 10. Regroup with the 1. 28 plus 1 is 29. Don't use those again. 0 placeholder. 3 times 5 is 15. Regroup with the 1. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. And 7 times 3 is 21. 0, 5, 16, 4, and 2. And we got to put the decimal point back in there and the dollar sign right there. $246.50. Did you get it right? If not, fix your paper. Okay, here is number 7. Copy that one down on your paper, pause the video, and then turn it back on when you're done. 7 times 7 is 49. Regroup with the 4. 6 times 7 is 42. 46. 2 times 7 is 14 plus 4 is 18. All right. Let's get rid of these. Put a 0 in there. 7 times 2 is 14. Regroup with the 1. 12 plus 1 is 13. Regroup with the 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Add them up. 9, 10, 12, and 7. $72.09. Make sure that you have the dollar sign and the decimal point in there. Okay, fix it if you got it wrong, and then copy this problem, pause the video, and turn it back on when you're ready for the solution. So on this one, some of you are going to multiply everything times 0. That's kind of a waste of time. We can skip the first partial product and get the actual answer on this one. No partial products. Just put a 0 in there. 3 times 5 is 15. Regroup with a 1. 30 plus 1 is 31. Regroup with a 3. 35 plus 3 is 38. Put the decimal point and the dollar sign. Bam! Got the answer right there. Okay, you got some problems down here to do. 2 problems. Add up the check answer. Pause the video. Turn it back on when you're ready to see if you got it right. All right, so here we go. You should have already done this. That's 8. That's 16. That's 13. Let's see how fast I can do it. See if I can get them right here. Done with the 4. Done with the 1. 0 placeholder. 16. 33. And 24, 27. Whew, I hope I get this right. 12, 7, 8, 2, dollar sign. $287.28. Oh my, okay. I might get one of these wrong. What do you think? Did I get that one right? 4 times 3 is 12, 10, 18, 19. Okay, I don't need to put a decimal point in there, by the way. That was a waste of time. Okay, 0 right there. 4 times 2 is 8, 6, and 12. Add them up. Now I got to put the dollar sign in. And 4, $145.82. Let's add up our check answer over here. 145.82. And then I'm going to add 287.28, 10, 11, 13, 13, 4. Bam. Got it right. Okay. Pause the video, do the math facts, and then turn it back on to see the answers to those. 12 times 12 is 144. 6 times 8. 3 times 9. 9 times 4. 3 times 7. 9 times 6. 8 times 7. 6 times 7. 11 times, oh my, what is that? 11 times 12. That's a tricky one, huh? 4 times 8. 5 times 5. 7 times 7. 5 times 8. 4 times 6. 7 times 9. And 6 times 6. There it is.